the speed on this road?
20.
So why are you going very, very slow?
It's oncoming vehicle. There is no space. It's big bus.
So
Yeah.
that's fine.
Now it's clear. Then I go.
Alright, that's
The
fine.
again bus is coming. So sometimes it's less speed. So I reduce speed. If I nobody there, don't more space. So I go.
Okay.
Hey, there is only one car space. So I need to stop here and I have to check.
Now we go red light today, so we're gonna stop here behind this lorry here.
Yeah. Oh, there is road work. Yeah.
Yes, there's road work and they got green. The light is green now. So we are taking next road on our right. Next road on our right. Yeah, keep going ahead.
Today my right turn is okay.
Yes, little bit fine now. You're looking and you just doing it
Reference
from
point.
the reference point. They are waiting for the red light, so you go. Keep going ahead. End of the road, turn right. I'm just gonna see you a few right turns, okay? Yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead this way.
It's 20 speed. But next I think so 20 finish 30.
Okay.
Is it there is 30.
Okay.
Each day how many people get a lesson
Just
to you?
it's just
3,
just
4.
it just depend on the day.
Oh, depend on the
Yeah. Keep going ahead. Keep in middle, okay?
Normally how many people you do it?
It just depend on like each day how busy we are. So we're gonna take second road on our left. This is first,
Second road.
yeah. Second, this one. Going ahead.
There is less space, so I need to less speed.
All right. Keep looking in your mirrors, then you'll see your position. Left, right mirror, keep looking. End of the road, turn left. Yeah. Keep going ahead and then follow the road to the left. The road bends to the left, okay? So here is the corner, so we slow down because cars come really fast from the corner. That's fine. And we're gonna go ahead. There's no space to park up, so we need to find a good space somewhere. So take next road on your left. This one.
I go to the left side.
Left, yes.
No need to, because there is obstruction. So that's why I came here.
We come to the left here.
Yeah, now I go to my lane.
And then we're gonna take next road on our right, this one.
Depend on is the road situation.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
Because of when I'm driving.
When we turn left here, we're gonna pull up to the left here, okay?
Okay.
Just here, next to this. Yeah, here. Just here. Slow down, and stop here. Today, I'm just wanna, this session, I want to introduce park up on the right as well.
Okay.
So normally like it's a maneuver that come on your test. So normally like we do pull up to the left all the time. And but today I just want to introduce this, okay?
Okay.
So next session we're gonna work on it slowly now. So to park up on the right, how you gonna do it? You got any idea?
Right side.
Yeah.
I need to first check mirror, center mirror and right side mirror, get a signal,
Yeah.
and I go on the right side and I park.
Sometime, for example, if you're living in these houses and you come in from this road and this is your house, so you come here, you just take a right turn, you come here. So I'm gonna, like, if I tell you, can you park up on the right, please? So you check this, your center mirror, right mirror,
I get a signal.
signal right, but when you're signaling right and moving to the right side, before you go, good observation, if the cars come in like this red car near you, we don't go. If you see a pedestrian, anyone, next cyclist, anyone around you, we don't move. So we signal right, we check full observation. If it's safe, we check in our blind spot first. If like anything's there, this is really important. So blind spot check, and then we're gonna move it to the right. And can you see the race curb?
Yeah.
So we go there and we pull up to the right. When we pull up to the right, our car should be straight with the curb, okay? So we need to be nice and straight to the curb. So when you finish, secure the car, handbrake up, then I'm gonna tell you, can you reverse 2 spaces back, please? Okay, so 2 spaces back, and then we finish, and then we move off with the blind spot check. So now, okay, get ready to move off. Can you pull up to the right, please, there? Okay. Full check, blind spot check, and move off. Check again.
Please pedestrian.
Mm-hmm. And go. Look to the right. Go close with the curb. Nice and straight, okay? Go slowly. We need to be nice and straight. Come to my side.
Yeah.
We need to be straight. Okay. Now we stop. Yeah, our car is straight now. Just stop. Park the car, handbrake up. Now reverse 2 spaces back.
Okay.
So reverse.
And I need to check all of them.
Yeah, check. Good observation. And go back. So when you're going back, look in your back mirror there. And just reverse back in straight line next to the curb.
And as well as my car.
Yes, you need to be straight. Just reverse now. Go back slowly. Keep going back. One.
And I see the center mirror.
Yeah, keep
Because
looking.
yeah.
Look on the left as well. You need to be close with the curb. Nice and slow and stop here. Park the car, handbrake off. So now we're gonna move off. So when we move off, you signal left, look in left blind spot and move off because we are on the wrong side of the road, okay? So drive, signal left, look there, the lady's there, look there again, look around, look back here, blind spot check again on the left and then move off. Okay, good. Look there. Is there anything that can affect your driving? Anything on the road is affecting you?
Is it less space there? So I need to less speed.
So when you see a car or one on the right, why are you steering to the right? You need to steer to the left to come away from the car. So keep going ahead. End of the road right, please. And speed up because your speed is really slow. No one's here.
Right, end of the...
Right, yes. You need to be straight, okay? Because you know how to turn right, how to turn left. So I'm not gonna give you help with these now, okay?
No, I know.
You need to be independent now.
Yeah, because I know is a left side, right
Yeah.
side turn.
You need
need
all
to-
these junctions, you know know these, okay?
Yeah, this the car is coming. One car is go.
But look there, both sides. Then go, okay? Now. Now keep going ahead. So I just introduced a new subject to you because we're gonna practice on this again, okay? Keep going ahead.
That one is reverse parking.
What's the speed on this road?
30.
Okay. Good. Good. Keep a good speed when if the road is clear. Here, what you're gonna do? That's fine. Keep going ahead and then we are turning left in Asda. Keep going.
Now speed is 20.
Yeah, it's fine.